Easipart XL is designed for beginning to mid-progressive stages of hair loss. Due to its unique base size and placement, it offers volume and coverage in the part and top of crown area. In this video, we'll review the base design of Easipart XL and show you how we got the look. Easipart XL is available in 12 inches and 18 inches in length. The base design features the single monofilament that allows for multi-directional parting of the hair and natural-looking part. The polyurethane-coated perimeter allows for the use of adhesive if desired. The pressure-sensitive clips are strategically placed to secure the topper to your biological hair. Easipart XL is made with Remy human hair. As with any alternative hairpiece, we recommend performing a check wash within 14 days of receipt. One commonly asked question is, how do we get the looks on our website and our catalog? In this video, we'll show you how we got the look for Easipart XL. To dry and style your topper, pin to your canvas blockhead. Apply blown-away blow-dry balm and weightless volumizing foam. Blow dry for volume using your Jon Renau round brush. Take a small section of hair and apply 2 to 3 pumps of heat treat thermal spray to protect the hair from heat damage. Use a 1 to 2 inch curling iron and curl each section of hair to create soft wave. Alternate the direction of wrapping as you go. Allow the hair to cool and set completely. Always pre-style your biological hair prior to applying your topper. For this look, we applied easy pieces to add volume and fullness to the style. Apply your topper 1 to 2 inches back from the hairline and blend with your biological hair. See our Prepare Your Topper for Styling and Application video for details. Always hold the base of the topper while blending to prevent pulling your biological hair. Not doing so will cause tension on your biological hair and can cause hair loss. Finish your style with Jon Renau's versatile 3-way hairspray. And use your fingers to finish style. To watch more styling videos, click on our styling playlist. For everything else you need to know about toppers, click on Hair Toppers 101.